Obviously, the stock market and crypto took a decent dip this week. Let's go over what happened and what I'm doing next. Starting with the stock market, the main thing that started this pullback was the Fed hinting that we possibly won't be getting any more rate cuts anytime soon. Pretty much when this happens, it just makes the valuations for companies look less attractive in the short term, especially for growth and tech stocks. On top of all that, of course, we're at high valuations already in the market and people have very high expectations, especially around tech and AI. A lot of companies have also been reporting earnings, which have for the most part been going good. However, these companies are held to such high expectations that even one slightly negative thing can knock these stocks down 5 to 10%. And again, let's not forget how important these companies' earnings are. The Mag 7 makes up almost 40% of the entire S&P 500. 40% of the entire index that tracks the largest 500 companies in the US is made up of only 7 companies. These earnings will move the entire market. Moving on to Bitcoin being down about 30% from all-time highs. One of the biggest things being wiped out that's caused crypto to drop are people being over-leveraged. Thankfully, I personally don't use any leverage with crypto. I only use cash that I actually have, but many of the people that are using leverage, if not all, have been getting liquidated. It's forced many people to have to sell at big losses. Wiped out a pretty decent piece of capital in crypto. So we are entering that point in the cycle where it's not surprising at all to see a big drop in crypto. We're currently sitting on extreme fear with many people who have zero idea what they're doing, just panic selling. Is this something to panic about? Unless you're using leverage, no. This is literally the same type of pullback we've seen plenty of times. There's been no major changes in any of these companies. In crypto, literally nothing has structurally changed. We've only improved in the past year. Companies are still growing, crypto adoption's rising, demand isn't slowing down at all. Except for the short term for people that are either using leverage and need to sell or people that just have no idea what they're doing and are panic selling. Really structurally the exact same thing you guys were rushing to buy when it was $30,000 more expensive, now you don't want it. I'm not throwing all my cash in at once because I think we can definitely go lower, so I'm throwing big chunks on the way down. If you guys are interested in seeing exactly what I do and learn my strategy, make sure you join the Discord link in my bio.